Welcome to this short fun extension of our AI tool. In one of the last videos we took care of the AI of ChatGPT and built our own chat tool which we have extended with an image generator and a voice output and a voice-to-text function using Audio. So pretty cool stuff until now. In this part we add a cool joke generator to the tool. So let's start. With just one click, it'll either tell you a funny programming joke or give you a short motivational quote to power up your day. Here's how it works, step by step. First, we randomly choose between two moods, humor or inspiration. That's done with a simple random. Next 0, 2, which gives us either 0 or 1. If we get a 0, we'll ask ChatGPT for a safe for work programming joke. Otherwise, it fetches a motivational quote. Next, we temporarily disable the button to prevent extra clicks and show a loading message so the user knows something's happening. Then we create a new chat client using your OpenAI API key and send the prompt, that could be either the joke or the quote, directly to ChatGPT. When the response comes back, we display it in the response text box, formatted as if the assistant is talking to the user. And finally, we re-enable the button and reset the text back to generate joke. This add-on is a lightweight and fun way to make your app more human. It adds personality, entertains your users with quick developer humor, and gives them a boost of daily motivation, all powered by AI. It's a great way to keep things fresh, useful, and engaging. Every great app starts with a single idea. And you just made yours smarter with AI. Keep coding. Keep experimenting. And never stop having fun along the way.
Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because the light attracts bugs. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. Why was the JavaScript developer sad? Because he didn't know how to null his feelings.
You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated. In fact, it may be necessary to encounter the defeats so you can know who you are, what you can rise from, how you can still come out of it. Maya Angelou.
If this little feature made you smile or sparked a new idea, just wait for what's coming next.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Remember that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.